A very good evening, guys. We start today with the last chapter of costing, that is process costing. Process costing you all have done in SY back also, but what you all are going to study here is totally different. Of course, there are cases where you have to prepare one single process account, but then the calculation and all is 95% a different calculation. Okay? Now listen. Process costing में what you have in your syllabus is equivalent production. Now, first of all, what do you mean by equivalent production? What you have in your syllabus is cases, situation where there is stock of WIP. What is WIP? Work in progress, which means the goods or the product is partially completed. Understand the concept. The goods or the product what you are producing are partially completed. So when I say equivalent production, it means that proportion which can be converted into full production. In short, say for example you are manufacturing 1000 units. That 1000 units are 70% complete. Understand this statement, huh? That 1000 units are 70% complete. So 1000 का 70% कितना हो गया? 700. That means 1000 partly completed goods is equal to 700 fully completed. 1000 partly completed good is equivalent to 700 fully completed. Suppose the goods are 60% complete. 1000 का 60% is 600. So 1000 partly completed goods is equivalent to 600 fully completed goods. If it is 80% completed, 1000 partly completed goods is equal to 800 equivalent fully completed goods. So equivalent means converting the proportion of fully paid. 70% complete, so 1000 ka 70% 700. 40% complete, 1000 ka 40% 400. Got it? Now, in this chapter you have three parts. First is equivalent production, where there are two methods, FIFO and weighted average. Earlier there was only FIFO. 2 years back in the new syllabus they added weighted average. Of course the calculation is 80% same, a little bit of variation, but before that we'll have to do this. And the third part is inter-process profit. Now because you all have MCQ based, the chances of inter-process profit is coming is very less, but then too we will not skip, we will do everything, but from the point of view of MCQ now. Okay, now listen. We start with the first method, that is FIFO method. Now when you do sums now, the sums are in 3 to 4 different parts. Usme se the first part is very common, which is the base of the chapter. Today what I am going to do in this video is doing 4 small sums. 4 small sums means preparing statement of equivalent units. Because if you don't know how to prepare this, you can't do the sum only. Of course in exam sums are not going to come. Now one good thing what you all are going to have, if you see even the most of the objectives will be based on this calculation only. Since it is MCQ based exam now, the first table what I am going to do in this video, 4 sums, that is very highly probable, most likely question to come as far as numericals are concerned from this chapter. Okay? How to do? I'll show you the sum only. Take out the textbook. Take the first page, that is practical part, sums on equivalent production. Page 55, question number 14. Page 55, question number 14. This is a very basic sum without opening WIP. The main point comes in opening WIP, but before that, let's see this sum. 14 question. Input is 3800 units. That means you have introduced 3800. See, process is what we have done last year. Process means stages of production. So one stage ka calculation we are supposed to do. When I say input, matlab either you have bought it from outside or it is coming from the previous process. Introduction, that is input is 3800 units. Output means that which is fully completed and goes in the next process. Closing WIP 800 units. degree of completion given, material, labor, overhead, process cost is given. Find out equivalent production assuming that there is no opening WIP and process loss. So opening stock is not there, but closing stock is there. Now, as I told you, today in our first video I am taking 4 sums where we'll just see how to calculate the statement of equivalent production, that is equivalent units. In that we are not concerned with amount. So we don't need any information of the amount as far as today ka sum is concerned. Okay? Now see how you will prepare. Understand this. Question number 14. Statement of equivalent production, or we also call it as units. Now see the format, how you do. First will be input. Okay? Around 5 to 6 lines. Then you have particulars. Uske baad you have output. Then you have 3 columns. You have 3 columns of material, labor, overheads, and each of these 3 columns will be further divided into 2 columns. One will be percentage and units. Percentage and units. Getting it? See, I repeat. Input, particulars, output, and material, labor, and overheads. Understand this sum very carefully. Then in the next video, next class may, this calculation becomes much easier. Okay, I'll just try to enlarge the screen. Yeah. Okay. Now listen. In this sum, there is no opening WIP. Otherwise, there would be a different start. Okay. Now, first, you have introduced 3,800 units. Input matlab I have introduced. So, what you do? Particulars may write introduced. Input hai, correct? Now, listen. Input के column में 3,800. When I introduce or input, nothing will be there on the right side. Okay? So introduce or input will only come here. The reason for having input output column is end mein input or output has to be equal. Got it? So I repeat, input is quantity introduced, so we write introduce in the column of input 3,800. Next, output 3,000 units. Output matlab that part of goods which is completed in the process. Output means that part of goods which is completed in the process. Now see, in this case there is no opening WIP. If there was opening WIP, there would have been a change in the figure, which we will see in the next sum. So what you do now? Next is completed. So write there, completed. Now completed means that which is completed in the process, not a part of input. So input में dash लिखो. कितना है output? 3,000. Now listen. When I say completed, it is fully completed. So what will happen? When I say fully completed, matlab entire thing is produced. So material percentage 100, labor percentage 100, overhead percentage 100. All 3 percentage will be 100, 100, 100. Now do 3,000 ka 100%, 3,000, 3,000 ka 100%, 3,000, 3,000 ka 100%, 3,000. So percentage you have to multiply by the relevant output ka column ka units. Complete means fully complete. So material, labor, overhead, everything is fully complete. So 100%, 100%, 100%. What next? Closing work in progress is 800. So right there. Closing WIP. Again, this is closing. Nothing to do with input. How much? 800. Now see, closing, as I told you, you all have WIP. Matlab, it is not fully completed. It cannot be 100% for all. It can be 100% for material, but not for labor and overheads. Because if it is 100% for all, you cannot call it as closing WIP. See the proportion. Material कितना percentage है? 80. So material percentage के column में write 80. Labor 70. Overhead 70. So material 80, labor 70, overhead 70. What we did on the top? 3000 का 100%, 3000, 3000, 3000. Now what you do? This is 800. 800 का 80%. 8 8s are 64. So 640. 800 का 70%. 8 7s are 56. So 560 and 560. So 800 का 80% 640, 800 का 70% 560 and 800 का 70% 560. Everything is done. Now check. Input and output का total has to be same. 3800, 3800. Getting it? Clear? Now take the total of units. Material, labor, overhead का units. 3000. So 3640, 3560 and 3560. Getting it? This is the way you are supposed to do. In this sum there is no opening WIP. Next sum में opening आएगा. I'll tell you how to go. Now listen. So equivalent का मतलब क्या हुआ? My total units, which are 3800 partly completed, is equal to 3640 100% complete to the extent of material, 3560 fully complete to the extent of labor, and 3560 fully completed to the extent of overhead. I'll repeat again. 3800 partly completed units is equal to 3640 of material completed, 3560 of labor completed, and 3560 of labor. As I given the starting example, 1070%. 1000 partly completed is equal to 700 fully completed. Same way, 3800 is equal to 3640 fully completed to the extent of material, 3560 fully completed to the extent of labor, and 3560 overheads. Remember, this table is very important. This has to be prepared in each and every sum of the first two methods, because your आगे का table का calculation is going to be based on this units only. Clear with this? So what column will have? Input, particulars, output, material, labor, overheads, and material labor में sub columns of percentage units, percentage units, percentage units. Later on there will be cases where there will be two materials, but that we'll see later on. Today we are just focusing on the basic. Okay? Now I'll take the next sum. अब ऊपर वाला ही question number 13. ठीक है? The difference यहाँ पे is there is opening WIP in this. ठीक है? Statement of equivalent production. Let's prepare the same format. Input, particulars, and 3 columns of equal size. Material, labor, overheads, percentage, units, percentage. Let me check the angle of the camera. Is it correct? You all can see. No, sorry, I'll change the angle. ठीक है, I've changed the angle, ठीक है. Now listen, let's see ऊपर वाला question number 13. Opening stock of WIP which was not there in the previous sum, 4,000 units, 40% complete. Units put in process, that is introduced units completed, closing stock 60% complete, calculate equivalent production. Okay, now listen. Previous sum में opening WIP was not there, so we started with introduce. Now there is opening WIP, so you will start with opening WIP. Now, what is my opening WIP? 4,000 units. Opening means previous ka closing, it comes in, so it will come in the column of input. Now understand this. This is opening WIP. This will come from my previous period ka closing, and I will complete it in the current period. WIP means goods which are partly completed. So previous year pe which was partly completed, it will come in the current year and be fully completed. So therefore it will be a part of input as well as output. Why part of input? Because last year ka closing coming in the current year. Why part of output? Because it is last year ka partly produced good. I will complete the remaining production and I'll make it fully complete. Therefore it will be a part of output. Got it? Previous sum mein opening WIP was not there. So opening WIP you will put it in the column of input as well as output. अभी देखो percentage कितना है? 40% complete. Now all of you all pay attention very carefully. Opening is 40% complete. मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर में 40% 40% कंप्लीट था, प्रीवियस पीरियड में 40% कंप्लीट था, सो करंट पीरियड में कितना बाकी है? 60%. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, आई विल टेक द रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज, दैट इज 60. Don't make a mistake of writing 40. If it was closing stock, I will write whatever is produced. But this is not closing stock, this is opening. So if opening is 40% complete, I will now complete the remaining 60. If opening is 30% complete, I will now complete the remaining 70%. If it is 20% complete, now I will complete remaining 80%. Clear? So let's see. 4,000 का 60%, 2,400, 2,400, 2,400. Getting it? This was an important point. Another point will come in completed production. Opening WIP was not there in the previous sum. Don't worry, I'm doing 2 more sums, revision हो जाएगा, and आगे जाके every sum में you have to prepare this statement. Now let's see. Units put in process, that is introduced. So introduce. As I told you, introduce comes only in the column of input. तो राइट साइड पे कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट, यूनिट्स कंप्लीटेड. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल पे अटेंशन हियर. प्रीवियस सम में कंप्लीटेड यूनिट्स वाज 3,000. सो एवरीवेयर आई रोट 3,000. हियर आई रोट 3,000 ट्राई टू 100%. ओपनिंग नहीं था. यहां पे व्हाट इज द कंप्लीटेड गिवन? 32,000. नाउ रिमेंबर, this is FIFO, first in first out. सबसे पहले ओपनिंग स्टॉक कंप्लीट होगा, उसके बाद रिमेनिंग. सबसे पहले ओपनिंग स्टॉक कंप्लीट होगा, उसके बाद रिमेनिंग. सो व्हेन आई से कंप्लीटेड इज 32, दैट 32 will first include 4,000. So the figure what I will write here, it will be 28,000. How 28? 32 minus 4. So whenever they give you opening stock, completed production में से opening stock minus करो, 32 minus 4, 28. This did not come in the previous sum because previous sum में opening WIP नहीं था. Clear with this? Okay? Now, completed है, so everywhere it has to be 100. So it will be full 28,000. 28,000. ठीक है, input is next. Closing 2,000 units. Again, closing has got nothing to do with your input. 2,000. Percentage कितना है? 60%. So you will take 60 only. I'll repeat. If opening was 60, I would have taken 40, 40, 40. If opening is 40, I will take 60, 60, 60. I will take 100 minus that. But closing में I will take whatever is closing. कितना है मेरा closing का percentage? 60%. So I will take 60, 60 and 60. So 1200, 1200, 1200. Got it? That's it. Check करो input output is same. 4 and 30. 34. 34. 28 and this is 31,600. All are 31,600. Getting it? All are same. Now see again I repeat. Interpretation means what? How you interpret? 34,000 partly completed units is equal to 31,600 fully completed units. 34 partly completed units is equal to or is equivalent to 31,600 fully completed units. 34,000 partly completed units is equal to 31,600 fully completed units. The new point was opening WIP, which you will put it in input and output. It was 40% complete last year, so I will complete the remaining 60. Opening I will take the difference. Closing I will take same. And another point was completed 32 दिया है, FIFO है, so first you will complete the opening stock. So 32 में से 4 गया, I get 20. Getting it? Don't worry. The next sum is exactly same. I am doing 2 more sums. I just do one thing. I just pause the video so I don't waste time in drawing the tables. Okay? I just pause the video. I prepare the 2 tables and get. It's very simple. Just listen to the. Okay, guys. Next. Question number 37, exactly same way how we did in the previous sum. Let's just change the angle. Question 37, exactly same way how we did in the previous sum. Let's see. From the following information, compute using FIFO method equivalent units. Nothing is given, it has to be FIFO method. Okay. Process A, January 3, opening stock given WIP 10,000 units, 40% complete. Units bought into process 50, transferred to process B 40,000 and closing WIP 20,000 units 75 complete. Let's start. First, as I told you, opening is there, so opening WIP. What I told you, opening WIP will be a part of input as well as output. Why? Input because it is coming from the previous process, and output because the part which is yet to be completed will be completed in the current production, current process. Okay? So, कितना है opening? 10,000 units. So I'll put here 10,000, 10,000. What you will do for percentage? How much complete? 40%. Same like the previous sum. 40% is complete. So the remaining 60 will be completed now. 40% is complete, the remaining 60 will be completed now. So 10,000 का 60% 6,000. 10,000 का 60% 6,000. Next, units brought into process, that is introduced. How much is the input? 50,000. Okay, as I told you, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. Then, what is the next thing? Transfer to process B, मतलब next process, that is a part of completed production. So completed is a part of output. Now what I told you, if opening WIP is not there, completed will be 40 only. But this is what? FIFO. So when I say completed is 40, पहले ये 10 complete होगा. and 10 is already there in the output column. So this will be 40 minus 10, that is 30,000. So in FIFO method, whenever there is completed production, that production ka units subtract from your opening, that will give you your completed production. And when I say completed or fully completed, that means it is to be 100% complete. So 100% complete means 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Clear? Next, what is the last thing given? Closing WIP. Kitna? 20,000. Again, closing is a part of how much complete? It is 75% complete. So I will take that only. 75, 75, 75. 20,000 ka 75%, 15, 15 and 15. Check input output. 50 plus 10, 60, 10 plus 30, 40 and 60. Input output has to be the same. Okay? Now take equivalent units ka total. 36 and 15, 51, 51, 51. Again I repeat, how do you interpret? 60,000 partly completed units is equivalent to 51,000 completed units. 60,000 partly completed units is equivalent to 51,000 fully completed units. Clear with this? Okay? Chalo, same way, let's take question 36. 36 भी same है, खाली थोड़ा information घुमा के दिया है, ठीक है? Let's see. Opening WIP 2000 units, completed, material 80, labor 60, overhead 60. So इसमें percentage अलग अलग है. Units introduced 8000, degree of completion is given, material 80, labor 60, overhead 60. That's for closing WIP. Units is given 3000. Find out equivalent production assuming there is no process loss. Now listen, यहाँ पे if you see, if you have read the 3 questions carefully of the previous sum what we did, completed production missing है. Let's see what is to be done. First, opening WIP. How much is my opening WIP? 2000 units. Opening WIP 2000 units. Now see, completed. Material is 80% complete. So what I'll do? I'll complete the remaining 20%. So material में आएगा 20. Getting it now? Opening में you have to take the difference. If it is 80% complete, I will complete remaining 20. Labor overhead क्या है? 60-60. Labor is 60% complete, so I complete remaining 40. Overhead is 60% complete, so I will complete remaining 40. So material में remaining 20, labor में remaining 40 and overhead में remaining 40. ठीक है? Next. Introduced. So units introduced 8000. Okay. Next, degree of completion, that is for closing stock. Now see, I don't have completed, so what you can do, you can write completed, leave it blank, or you can write closing WIP. Let's do that. Completed लिख के pending रखें. Now what I have? Closing WIP. How much is my closing WIP of 36 sum? 3000 units. Now see, how much is complete? Material 80%. Now this is closing, so I will take 80 only. देखो, opening 80 था, I took 20. Closing 80 है, तो I will take 80 only. Closing labor कितना? 60. Closing overhead कितना? 60. So 3000 का 80% 2400. 3000 का 60% 1800 and 3000 का 60% 1800. Getting it? Now listen very carefully. Input का total कितना है? 10. Remember, we don't have information for completed. अभी देखो 10 है, तो यहाँ पे भी 10 आएगा. 10 में से 2 is opening, 3 is closing. कितना हो गया? 5. So जो difference है, this completed has to be 5. So this 5,000 in this case is missing figure because completed production नहीं दिया. I'll repeat. Input का total is 10. Output के column में output is अपना opening WIP is 2, closing is 3, completed I don't know, but I know the total. So 10 minus opening 2 minus closing 3. So automatically my completed becomes 5,000. Completed is always 100% complete. So ये हो गया तुम्हारा 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. This is 2,000 का 20%, 400, 800, 800. That's it. Take the total. 5,000, 7,400, 7,800, 5 and 68, 7,600, 7,600. That means what? 10,000 partly completed units is equal to 7,800 units of completed material part, 7,600 equivalent completed part of labor and overheads. Getting it? So listen to the video carefully. I repeat. First sum में opening WIP नहीं था. Second and the third was same. Even the fourth was same. The only thing is twisted information था. Completed production was not given. It was the balancing figure. Understand this carefully. The 2-3 बार video देख लो. Till the time you don't know this, you cannot do आगे का chapter. And you know MCQs. If you see behind also our question sheet, they have asked numericals which are based on that only. Okay, so listen to the video carefully and see these sums, 4 sums properly. I am sending a very close picture individually of all the 4 sums together so you all can easily understand. Clear with that, guys? So that's it. I am not taking any other video for today because I want you all to be thorough with this. Tomorrow I will continue with maybe 1 or 2 recordings. Okay guys, take care. Good night.